Wow. Look at the size of the kale. Especially this one. Oh my god. Let me put my hand in there in the comparison. Wow. That's some big kale. A lot of good salad eating coming up. Yes, it is. This is the basil. Let's see how the basil, see the hand, my hand? Wow. It's coming up pretty good. Yes, it is. Let's see, we've got some type of squash here. Those didn't even get. Let's see if we see all kinds of. I just don't see anything this morning. See some tomatoes growing in there too. Oh well, we'll see what happens. See, we got more kale growing. Let you know how big. There's tomatoes. And there's a tomato down here on the ground. More tomatoes. We'll see. Wow. That's a sea of purple. Some bees in here too. Trying not to get stung. Oh well, there we go. I think Charlotte keeps the seeds from this every year to year.